Hey everybody, how you doing today? A lot of questions regarding the touch response of Motorola Edge 20 Pro in the comment section. So I have to make a video for everybody who actually asking for this, and I'm gonna do a test, a fast test to see if there's an issue with the touch sensitivity and typing speed. So I'm gonna open the keyboard. I'm gonna type a lot. I'm gonna touch the screen a lot for a period of time, and then you're gonna see how is it going to be reflected on the if there's issues or not. So let me just quickly open up the phone, and okay, there you go. Give me a second. So I'm gonna gonna open up a keyboard, and we're gonna start a chat. Oh, wait a second. Give me 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. And what is it? Notes. What is notes? Okay. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna type a lot, and I'm gonna see there's an issue with the touch. Okay, so here. Okay, we need to go online. All right, so here, let's go in the search of the applications, and let me just go to the 1x zoom so we can see better. And I'm going to reduce the brightness a little bit, make it easier on your eyes, and we're going to check the type speed here. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, I'm going to click every single button right now and check if there is issues. Okay, so it seems that all types in the keyboard is okay. The slide is okay, as you can see. No issues, no hiccups in the in the section here. And I don't know, people say there's some issues with the touch sensitivity. As you can see, I'm just going up and down. No issues with the typing. Again, we're gonna do it again. There is no issues regarding the typing experience here. I don't see any mistypes. Let me just go back. And just some emojis. Let's scroll left and right, click on applications, go back, down slides. So I think my unit is okay. I don't know if it's a unit thing or it's a software bug, but I'm very okay. Now, I think what people refer to is that when you charge the phone, the phone freak out, like sometimes bugs out. That happened to me once. I plugged the phone on the charger and I started to play with the phone, and it started to go crazy. This is the only one time that happened to me. Other than that, it didn't have any issues. And one more thing, Ready For does not work well with me. I don't know, because of my TV. I have Sony TV. It doesn't work with the Sony TV for some reason. I don't know why, some compatibility reason maybe. But that's probably the only thing that I had issue with the software so far. Nothing happening with the touch sensitivity. Everything is good here. No issues at all. Left and right, as you can see, smooth. No issues at all, guys. Very nice. Go back. See. Maybe it's a software bug, guys. Maybe you need to update your phone or something. Or maybe some units, certain units have these issues. I don't know about this. This is a quality control probably issue, but for my here, I'm testing everything with the Moto Edge 20 Pro. There's a lot of people asking me, how is there any issue with the typing experience with the keyboard? Not really. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna slide through apps and see if I have misclicked. Okay. Sometimes you click on the app when you slide on it. So here, as you can see, no issues. So basically just a report, quick report for you guys asking this question. That's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Take care, everybody. See you in another video.